So the topic of this video is the technology behind NFTs. I want to help you guys have a better understanding of how we're all able to have access to these certificates of ownership for our digital assets on the blockchain. So before going into technology behind NFTs, let's look at the technology that runs fungible tokens that we're all familiar with, like Ethereum or Tether or DAI or Uniswap or ZRX, OMG. I mean, there's so many coins built on Ethereum, and they're actually using a token standard known as ERC20. And this allows people to build fungible, interchangeable tokens. And then there was the introduction of ERC721, which allowed for NFTs, which were non-fungible, non-interchangeable tokens. So NFTs are software, and they can be programmed. They could actually store properties on their metadata that makes each token unique, provably scarce, indivisible. It guarantees ownership of that asset to the holder. It's easily transferable on the blockchain, and it's fraud proof. NFTs can be integrated into any blockchain that supports smart contract programming. And we're starting to see NFTs expand beyond more than just Ethereum, which typically has high gas fees until the adoption of ETH 2.0, which is pushing the adoption of other blockchains that have lower fees and lower carbon emissions. So we're seeing NFTs launch on Solana, on Terra, on Algorand, I believe even on Cardano soon. And it's going to be interesting to see which other blockchains begin to adopt NFTs and have a more user-friendly interface with less transaction fees. This NFT technology is rapidly progressing our society from a Web 2.0 into a Web 3.0 adopted world, which is also known as the Internet of Assets. This is dissolving economic borders and opening up doors of new opportunities, and that's because these blockchains and smart contracts solve some critical problems with today and yesterday's version of the internet. Just a little preview of the next step of NFTs and where this technology is going. We're looking at the ERC1155 token standard, which is built by Engine, also known as ENJ. This is a contract for fungible and non-fungible tokens to work from. So there's a lot of things to look forward to with Engine. We're also looking at NFTs and DeFi, NFTs that provide collateralized loans. And there's a lot of different ways that this technology can really adopt culture and art and society, into the blockchain, into the metaverse. And the technology is what's backing this whole entire run. We live in a technology world, so you have to learn how to really get with the times and not get left behind.